Welcome to Unitech. Unitech is one of the leading manufacturers of nail tool solutions in China since 2008.
Unitech is specialized in nail drill machine, UV, LED lamp, dust collector, UV, LED nail sanitizer.
The key point of Unitech become nail master. It is because of all the production are produced in our own factory.
From molding, precision of CNC body cutting, and high-quality control of motor for nail drill handpiece, is one of the most important points to have a stable and smooth quality. In addition, the surface of finish is also very important of our nail tools. Unitech owns our 50 pieces of fast-speed plastic injection machine with automatic robot hand, and 2 pieces of auto color spray lines. And our daily capacity is up to 10,000 pieces. Meanwhile, we can customize any fashion, colors according to clients' needs with fast delivery.
In Unitech, every nail jog, nail length, dust collector, and nail disinfection machines are manufactured of the exact specifications of our customers' joint. Our engineering system generate customer designs according to professional artists and consumer require to develop and produce. To ensure the high quality of each, lots are consistency and transparency.
Unitech has been certified according to ISO 9001 standard. And we have verified by our government as RR, trusted industrial in past 10 years consecutively. At the same time, our products has passed CE FCC ROHS certificate. Thanking you for visiting Unitech. Welcome all friends aboard to have win-win cooperation with Unitech.